strong and proud. He's the king, he leads the way, ruling the jungle every day. Tiger's stripes are black and bright, hiding in the grass at night. Sneaky paws so quiet and fast, chasing shadows as they pass. Elephant stomps, big and round, swinging his trunk, making sound. Splashing water, having fun, trumpeting loud for everyone. Monkey jumps from tree to tree, swinging fast and wild with glee. Grabbing bananas, playing around, laughing, making funny sounds. Bear is big, so strong and slow, loves sweet honey, don't you know? Climbing trees, then dancing too, waving a friendly paw at you. Hippos in the water deep, swimming, splashing, what a leap! With a yawn so big and wide, he lets the fish swim inside. Rhino's horn is sharp and long, he stomps the ground so big and strong. Running fast, he loves to play, charging forward every day. Zebra's stripes are black and white, running fast, what a sight. Hooves go tap, a rhythm so neat, dancing to the jungle beat. Wolf is clever, sharp and wise, howling loud beneath the skies. With his pack, he runs at night, golden eyes are shining bright. Fox is sly with fur so red, always thinking with his head, dashing quickly left and right, playing tricks from day to night. Deep in the jungle, wild and free, now you know them, 1, 2, 3. Sing their names and